It's our last day in Punta Cana and we are leaving this beautiful place. Actually, we've been here for 7 days and we are so excited to see more of Dominican Republic, and we are going now to Samana, Las Terrenas. We left Punta Cana, now we are around Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo is the capital of Dominican Republic and we are on our way to Samana. It's a really hot day, but it's beautiful. The road, you can see the road is a bit crazy. After more than 3 hours drive, we arrived in this place. Actually, the road we drove through was just amazing and beautiful, and here is the spot we could just park and take a picture. Let me have a tour and show our room to you. So cozy, different from any hotel that we've been. Look at that. This is how you like to do. You unlike it? Unlike it. This is so cool. And this is our room. Look at the table. And here is the best part. Look at that, look at this is a shower. And this is, you can put your towel here. Look at the lamp. And this is, look at this thing, is so beautiful. This is the mirror. You see, it's everything natural. And let me show you outside, also it's so cute.